This is my agent on OEE Guidance Agent. So OEE meaning overall effectiveness every day. So here the manufacturing team track OEE daily, but most actions happen after the shift ends. By then, downtime, speed loss, and quality issues have already turned into permanent production loss. So this solution changes that gap. The OEE Guidance Agent monitors execution single signals in real time and intervenes the moment a loss begins, ensuring action happens during the shift, not after reporting. So let's go to the use case downtime intervention. So let us give the prompt for the agent show current in shift OEE loss. So here the agent detects a machine stoppage exceeding the defined threshold. Instead of waiting for end of shift analysis, it immediately classifies this is this as an availability loss, assigns ownership to maintenance and recommends immediate intervention. The outcome is like downtime is corrected within the same shift, preventing further production loss. So here there are two lines, line A and line B. Here the line A and line B is almost similar: availability loss, performance loss, and quality loss. So here it gives overall shift insight also. So let us go for the next use case, performance loss. So let us give the prompt cycle time deviation in is 10%. So what should we do? So here the agent identifies this as a performance loss caused by reduced operating speed. It directs the issue to production team and recommends adjusting speed immediately. So the outcome, speed loss is recovered before its impact the full shift output. So let us go for the use case 3, that is quality degradation. So let us give the prompt why is first pass yield dropping this shift. So here the agent detects a downward trend in first pass yield and flags a quality loss. It prompts immediate contaminant and assigns ownership to quality team. The outcome is like quality issues are contained earlier, reducing scrap and rework. So here the agent gave why first pass yield FPY is dropping this shift. Observed condition dominant OE loss, risk flag and recommendation action responsibility team. So here it gave the content. So so in normal conditional scenario, I can give the input as all parameters are normal. What next? So here the agent confirms no active OEE loss and recommends continued monitoring. So so here this solution is not about improving OEE reporting. It's about improving execution by acting earlier, assigning ownership clearly, and intervening in real time. Teams shift from explaining losses to preventing them. That then that that's way when OE becomes a discipline, not just a metric. Thank you everyone.